next Merit Award in the Small Projects category goes to Digsau for their Library Playspaces project.
This is a project that is clearly super fun for kids, but clearly on a tight budget, but clearly has a high potential for impact. So low budget, high impact is how we sort of saw it. We love the energy of this. We love the kind of reconfigurability. It sort of involves kids in a kind of active engagement with their environments. Maybe it's about reconfiguring furniture or discovering ways to use furniture. It embodies so many of just the right kinds of ways to engage kids with questions of design. So we always admire projects that do a lot with a little. And this one, just looking at the kids in the pictures, it's so obvious that this is already sort of having a huge sort of impact in the kind of historic library that it's inserted into. So a kind of tactical insertion of a kind of fun and educational project.
Congratulations to Digsau for winning the Merit Award in the Small Projects category for Library Playspaces.
Well, we're really appreciative. We want to thank the jury and AI Philadelphia. It's always nice to get recognized, especially for these types of projects that are small and meaningful and in the service of communities throughout Philadelphia. This was a really unique project for us. We had an incredible team of collaborators, which included Studio Ludo, Smith Playground and Playhouse, as well as Erector Sets, which meant that we were involved in everything from the programming, through the design, through the construction, and even into the training and monitoring of each of these installations, which has expanded what happens in children's libraries throughout the city.
It also touches on a couple of unique interests for us, both in terms of our ability to go into existing spaces and to have kind of more sort of strategic and discrete initiatives that really kind of fundamentally change the use and the experience of those spaces. And I think also, just a real interest in the idea of play. And it's been a theme in a way through much of our work along the way. The idea of play is a really fundamental part, often forgotten part in the lives of our children, in our own lives, and in our work. Our colleague, Rebecca Braun, who also was kind of so critical and essential to the execution of the project,